Beautiful morning. Let's go let the birds out. Oh, we gotta get the mallet. Oh, 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 don't peck me, don't peck me. Oh, 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 oh. Any more? What's up, little gray bird? Big white birds. You guinea back there, they got huge really quick out here. Ugh. I love this flock. It's mixed with so many cool birds, neat birds, egg layers, ducks, guinea. So cool. And they were just flying. Some of the corners crossing the red ones, Rhode Island Reds. Oh no, those are the Indian fellas. These guys are getting huge, man. So cool. They're getting so big. These turkey. Winston. Too. She did put her shirt on backwards. Talk about stop. YouTube, what the fuck is up, man? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I just said it. What the fuck? Oh, these badass dogs have been in here playing. Don't run over here now. I know you was with your big little brother. Your little big brother. Kane's older than Killua. These guys play. They have fun. But sometimes they get a little feisty. Look at Kane's head. Killua did that. Because sometimes Killua plays a little too rough. Look at him. He's freaking huge. Look at his teeth compared to Kane's teeth. Oh, they're about the same size. Just kidding. His are way bigger. So he bites him just plainly, and Kane doesn't like it because it hurts. And then he starts beating Killua up, and then Killua's like, "Hey man, I ain't your little brother no more. I'm a grown man." Just like he's doing to me now. He starts beating these dogs up. Get out! Oh shit! Just came in for a toothpick. Oh, Big Didi was sleeping. Oh man, my hand is so messed up. Oh my goodness, all these scars and scratches. I've been keeping reptiles all my life. Dangerous lizards, crocodile monitors, American alligators, Siamese crocodiles, king cobras, and I never had none of this. And then I come outside on the farm, and I get ate up, ate up. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. If you don't floss, you're not a boss. The dogs live inside. Oh, one of them farted. I think they really love living inside. Isn't it Mary J. Blige?
Yes, we can do it. Yes, we got it. Yes, baby, we've been too long for too long. And I can't be.
All right, guys.
Baby, and I'll be waiting up until you get home. 'Cause I can't.
So I'm gonna fix this. And basically, I gotta dig around it, so.
You cut the water off?
Yep. Still dripping a little bit.
I can't see you, crazy for me,
Oh no. He was messing with the They're all neck.
But I didn't know, like, I'm thinking a little pressure to, I put it like right here. And that nigga was done. Get the roly-poly if you gonna get something. Don't hit his finger. Oh, wow.
Why must you be an asshole, babe? You're not even helping. You're just
He
watching
went to
it.
the other side.
You're supposed to go to the other side with him.
Oh, yeah, go to your area.
Can you make sure you don't?
I know what my man can do and what he can't do. I've been telling him to do the plumbing this whole motherfucking time. And he want to pay a motherfucking named BJ.
Alrighty, man. So, right here, it'll basically just swing open. Wow, yeah, man. Yes, sir. So that's the entrance. We got this right off, so they can't see it off the road. But then, come right here. Yes, sir. We can look over. So we only got to do that back part now and do this. Other than that, we are looking good, man. Whew, what do y'all think? A lot of hard work today. All right, man. I'm gonna see if I can use any of these. And use that. I'll probably cut the bad end of that top one off. And we'll use these two and put this last piece of the fence up. And back here will be fully fenced. Then we'll move back over to the front. All right, man. This grass right here is really, really, really high. But shit, your boy snapped. Yes, sir. All right, I really snapped. So, as you can tell, that will be the door eventually. But for now, I'm gonna leave it bolted shut. And yeah, ooh-wee. Looks really, 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 really